Japan's vision for virtual beings in the 2030s, Society 5.0 and beyond. Japan's ambitious Society 5.0 vision represents a transformative approach to integrating virtual beings into the fabric of a human-centered, data-driven society. As the nation advances toward the 2030s, virtual beings are emerging not merely as technological novelties but as strategic instruments designed to address Japan's most pressing societal challenges while maintaining its cultural identity and global competitiveness. Society 5.0, officially introduced by the Cabinet Office's Council for Science, Technology and Innovation in January 2016, represents Japan's vision for a supersmart society that seamlessly fuses cyberspace and physical space. This fifth stage of societal evolution, following hunting and gathering, agrarian, industrial, and information societies, emphasizes human-centered development where technological growth aligns with solving real social issues. The framework prioritizes social resilience and sustainability while building systems capable of adapting to environmental, demographic, and economic changes. The philosophical foundation of Society 5.0 rests on convergence knowledge, which merges natural sciences, social sciences, and humanities to address the ethical, legal, and social implications of technology. This multidisciplinary approach ensures that virtual beings are developed not as isolated technological achievements, but as integrated components of a broader societal transformation that emphasizes co-creation and inclusion among government, industry, academia, and citizens. Within Japan's technological landscape, virtual beings encompass a sophisticated spectrum of AI-driven entities that reflect deep cultural integration. Virtual idols like Hatsune Miku represent 2D/3D characters with lifelike design rooted in pop culture, capable of conducting holographic concerts and engaging real audiences. Air companions such as Rina, created by Microsoft Japan, offer conversational interactions designed for social and emotional support, while virtual YouTubers like Kizuna Air combine artificial intelligence with human oversight to create engaging digital personalities. More advanced synthetic characters include digital twins such as the Shido twin, which replicates kabuki actor Shido Nakamura for live performances, and Alt Incorporated's digital clones that provide personalized animated avatars mimicking voice and appearance for professional tasks. Physical manifestations include humanoid robots like HRP-4C, developed by ACE, which demonstrates realistic facial expressions and singing capabilities, and companion robots like Parpe-Ro, designed for elder care support and family interaction. Virtual beings directly address Japan's demographic challenges through targeted applications across multiple sectors. In confronting labor shortages, retail chains like 7-Eleven and Family Mart deploy cleaning robots and cashier avatars, while agricultural AI systems ease workforce gaps through automated tomato picking and logistics management. The integration of virtual beings into these sectors demonstrates the cyber-physical convergence that forms the core of Society 5.0's vision. Elderly care represents perhaps the most critical application area, where virtual beings serve as care assistant robots like Eric, designed to help with patient care in nursing facilities facing chronic caregiver shortages. Companion robots such as Paro and Hyodol provide emotional interaction and medication reminders, addressing both physical and psychological needs of aging populations. These applications exemplify Society 5.0's human-centered design philosophy, where technology serves to enhance rather than replace human dignity and social connection. The modernization of public services through virtual beings includes telepresence systems like Orihime-D, which enable people with disabilities to work remotely and participate in community activities. Smart public infrastructure incorporates AI-driven assistants that enhance public health monitoring and emergency response, while personalized education and entertainment applications provide adaptive learning and therapeutic support through socially responsive AI tools. Japan's cultural foundation provides uniquely fertile ground for virtual beings through deeply rooted beliefs in animism and anthropomorphism. Shintoism's teaching that all objects possess a spirit, kami, creates natural comfort with attributing human-like qualities to technology, fostering what scholars term techno-animism. This worldview allows Japanese citizens to perceive virtual beings as companions rather than threats, facilitating emotional bonds that would be more difficult to establish in cultures with different philosophical foundations. The emphasis on collectivism and coexistence within Japanese society promotes acceptance of virtual beings as supporting tools and social partners rather than individual replacements. This cultural orientation toward harmony and group benefit aligns perfectly with Society 5.0's vision of technology serving collective human advancement. The design of virtual beings reflects these values through soft features, expressive animation, and aesthetics inspired by anime and mascot culture, creating emotionally intelligent interfaces that resonate with Japanese cultural preferences. The technological foundation supporting Japan's virtual beings rests on advances across multiple domains. Companies like Preferred Networks lead in deep learning and robotics, developing sophisticated object recognition and control systems that enable autonomous functionality. Sakana AI contributes evolutionary AI models that enhance conversational capabilities, while telecommunications leaders including Netet, Docomo and NEC pioneer 6G prototypes crucial for real-time virtual human applications. Digital twin technology, implemented through platforms like NVIDIA Omniverse, enables industrial-level virtual environments that mirror physical spaces and test human-AI interactions. The development of metaverse and extended reality platforms by companies like Stily Incorporated and government-backed Japan Metaverse Economic Zone projects create immersive social spaces where virtual beings can operate effectively. University research centers, particularly at institutions like the University of Tsukuba and Waseda University, contribute fundamental advances in spatial interaction, inclusive interface systems, and humanoid robotics. These academic contributions ensure that virtual beings development maintains alignment with Society 5.0's emphasis on human-centered innovation and ethical consideration. Japan's approach to virtual beings governance reflects the integrated innovation strategy that characterizes Society 5.0 implementation. The Digital Agency, established in 2021, leads the transformation of government services through digitalization, while the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry collaborates with research sectors to develop regulatory frameworks for virtual beings deployment. The policy framework emphasizes convergence knowledge integration, ensuring that virtual beings development incorporates humanities, ethics, and social sciences alongside technological advancement. This approach addresses concerns about digital identity, privacy protection, and legal compliance while maintaining the flexibility necessary for rapid technological evolution. Cross-ministerial programs including SIP, Moonshot R&D, and Bridge provide structured pathways for translating research into practical applications. The regulatory reform process, guided by the Kaidanran Advisory Committee, aims to streamline AI agent deployment across public services while maintaining ethical standards and public trust. The scaling of virtual beings faces significant obstacles that must be addressed to achieve Society 5.0's vision. Data privacy concerns, particularly regarding sensitive personal and biometric information collection, require robust consent protocols and transparency measures. The digital divide between urban and rural areas threatens equitable access to virtual human services, while regulatory frameworks struggle to keep pace with technological advancement. Long-term sustainability depends on maintaining appropriate human-AI interaction boundaries to prevent emotional dependency while maximizing therapeutic and social benefits. The integration of virtual beings must balance automation benefits with reskilling strategies to address displacement anxiety and ensure inclusive economic growth. By 2030, virtual beings are positioned to reshape Japanese society across multiple dimensions. National identity will be reinforced through culturally integrated yet internationally accessible AI personas that serve as cultural ambassadors. Governance will evolve toward algorithm-augmented decision-making and real-time citizen support, while labor markets will adapt to demographic realities through human-AI collaboration. Japan's comprehensive approach to virtual beings development positions the nation as a global leader in ethical, human-centered digital innovation. Through the integration of advanced technology with cultural values and philosophical principles, Japan offers an alternative model to more centralized or purely commercial approaches seen elsewhere, demonstrating how Society 5.0's vision can bridge culture, society, and innovation on a global stage. The success of this vision depends on continued coordination among government agencies, academic institutions, and private sector innovators, maintaining the delicate balance between technological advancement and human dignity that defines Society 5.0's promise for the future.